Hello friends, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone not playing music after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many method to solve this issue. First is check your network connection. So for checking your network connection, simply tap on settings. Now you can tap on Wi-Fi. If you are connected with Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi, turn it off, and after 10 to 20 seconds turn it on to fix your network connection. Then go back and turn on airplane mode, and after 10 to 20 seconds turn it off to fix your network connection. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is force restart your iPhone. This is more powerful way to restart your iPhone and can sometimes fix more serious issues. To do this, press the volume up button, volume down button, and press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo appear, and restart your device and fix your problem. So if this is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So Apple often releases software updates that fix bugs and improve performance. To check for update, go to settings. Now you can simply tap on general, and now you can see software updates. Tap on it. Now you can see checking for update. If you have any update, download and install it to fix your problem. If this is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is update your music app. For updating your music app, tap on App Store. Now you can tap the search bar and type the music and tap on it. Now you can see Apple Music, tap on it. Now you can see Apple Music is up to date. If you have any pending update, download and install it to update your Apple Music app. If this is not working, then we move to another is sign out of iCloud and then sign back in. This can sometimes fix issue with iCloud music library. To do this, go to settings. You can simply tap on profile name and scroll down, and now you can see sign out. Tap on sign out, enter your Apple ID passcode and sign out. After sign out, then you sign in again to fix your problem. So if this is not working, then we reset your iPhone setting. This will reset all of your iPhone settings to their default. So go to settings, simply tap on general, and again scroll down and transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset. Now you can see reset network settings and reset all networks, all settings. Tap on it, enter your passcode. Now you can see reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings to reset settings only without losing any data. So all this solution is not working, then we go to the nearest Apple store to fix Apple Music. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.